Welcome to Tax Smarts Unlocked, the podcast for individuals and small business owners looking to conquer the tax landscape with confidence. Hosted by seasoned tax professional David Robson of Premier Tax and Business Services, each episode is packed with insightful advice on proactive tax planning to help you navigate the complexities of tax laws. Here's your host, David Robson.
Welcome to another episode of Tax Smarts Unlocked. I'm your host, David Robson. Today, we're diving into something that's probably a fixture in all our lives, the digital age. With its remarkable advances, our digital landscape is reshaping everything, from how we live to how we conduct business. In this episode, we'll explore how the evolving digital landscape impacts tax planning, especially for those who consider themselves tech-savvy. I want to specifically address small business owners and individuals who find themselves grappling with tax bills or feeling daunted by the whole self-preparation process. So let's begin by defining what being tech-savvy means in the context of optimizing your taxes, and then delve into practical strategies that can ultimately help you save money. To start, let's talk about the digital world and its impact on tax planning. The rise of digital technology has been nothing short of a revolution. We're operating businesses through laptops and smartphones, doing our shopping with the click of a button, and managing finances through apps and online platforms. It comes with many benefits, but it also presents unique tax opportunities and challenges. More than ever, it's critical to navigate the tax implications of our digital activities accurately. Now, on to defining tech-savvy strategies for our audience. For small business owners, being tech-savvy isn't just about using the latest gadget or software. It's about integrating technology into your business processes to enhance efficiency and outcomes. Let's discuss some essential strategies. A great place to start is with common deductions applicable to tech-related expenses. For instance, investing in business software, hardware, and even certain subscription services can be deductible as legitimate expenses. But remember, these need to be documented carefully to satisfy IRS requirements. Cloud-based tools are invaluable in this aspect. They offer real-time expense tracking and help maintain all receipts and invoices backed up securely, key components in proactive tax planning. Using software like QuickBooks, Xero, or expense tracking apps, you can ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. This is especially useful for documenting expenses automatically, reducing errors and saving time that could be better spent growing your business. Next, let's dive into some case studies showing successful deduction optimization in the context of digital operations. Consider a small web development company that took advantage of deductions from purchasing updated software and equipment. By keeping meticulous records and using cloud-based accounting systems, they managed to reduce their taxable income significantly. Another case is an individual who works remotely and utilizes the home office deduction effectively, again facilitated by proper documentation and expense tracking. Speaking of remote work and home office deductions, this has become particularly pertinent. With the shift to remote work, many people are now entitled to deductions you typically expect in a firm's office space: utilities, rent prorated against your home office, and even specific supplies. However, it can't be stressed enough how essential it is to meet the IRS's exclusive use test and to keep your documentation pristine. Misunderstanding these tax rules can lead to audits or penalties, so caution is advised. Keeping updated on tax law changes is another critical component. The world of tax is ever evolving, particularly for tech users and small business owners making the most of the digital landscape. Subscribing to pertinent news, attending workshops, or even consulting regularly with a tax professional can ensure you're well informed. Additionally, there are various software and apps available that can significantly enhance your tax planning process. From receipt scanning apps to more complex accounting suites, these tools help you leverage technology in managing your finances more effectively. Evaluating your needs and investing in such apps will make your tax strategy much more robust. Documentation in a digital environment is tricky, and it's an aspect that can't be overlooked. Be diligent with your digital records. Keep them organized and properly categorized. Utilize folders, naming conventions, or even document management software to make retrieval during tax season hassle-free. Remember, good documentation supports your claims and defenses in case of any disputes or audits with the IRS. Finally, professional tax advice, what it means and why it's invaluable. Even in this digital age, the expertise of a human tax professional is irreplaceable. They're equipped not just with the knowledge, but with the experience to navigate the complexities that software may fail to anticipate. With their guidance, you can maximize deductions and minimize liabilities, ultimately ensuring a smarter, stress-free tax planning experience. As we wrap up today's deep dive into tax strategies for the tech-savvy, we've covered various aspects of navigating your tax obligations in a digital era, understanding deductions, using cloud-based tools, staying proactive with tax law changes, and not forgetting the valuable role of professional advice. Embracing the digital landscape doesn't have to be daunting. Rather, with the right strategies and tools, you can ensure you're not overpaying and that your finances are in optimal order. Thank you for tuning in to Tax Smarts Unlocked. I hope this episode has equipped you with insights to enhance your financial well-being while highlighting the indispensable benefits of expert guidance. Remember, staying informed and prepared is your best defense against overtaxation. Until next time, keep smart, keep informed, and keep optimizing.
Thank you for joining us on Tax Smarts Unlocked, the ultimate podcast for individuals and small business owners ready to conquer the tax landscape with confidence. Hosted by seasoned tax professional David Robson of Premier Tax and Business Services. Each episode has been carefully crafted to provide you with insightful advice on proactive tax planning. By adopting a smarter tax approach, you can focus on what you do best, growing your wealth and your business. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't miss an episode. Subscribe to Tax Smarts Unlocked on your favorite podcast platform and unlock the secrets to confident tax planning. Remember, it's time to take control of your taxes and unleash your full financial potential.